Hi, my lovelies, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to take you through how I style my curly hair using just two products from this beautiful brand called Maintain. I am going to show you a step-by-step process of how you can achieve these curls, especially when you have thin curly hair, and how to achieve the volume on the top of your head, and how to make your curls look less frizzier, more moisturized, la la la, all of that. Okay. So before we begin, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the bell icon, comment below, show some love, engage with the video. I will be so grateful if you do. Without further ado, let's go into my washroom.
Alright guys, so as you can see, I've just washed my hair with the Maintain's shampoo and conditioner, and now my hair is dripping wet. Okay, and I'm going ahead and applying their curl cream. Now, how do I apply the curl cream? I first mix it with a bit of water, emulsify it between my palms, and then I am evenly distributing the curl cream into the strands of my hair. Okay, so like you can see, I've got extremely thin hair, but once I style it, you will see how voluminous it looks, right? So I am taking some more of the curl cream, again emulsifying. It's the same process. I want to make sure that every strand of my hair is coated with the curl cream so that the frizz is less, right? So you can apply this curl cream either by raking it in or by using the praying hand method. So you can see right now what I'm doing is the praying hand method. Now once that is done, I'm taking a curl comb and I'm evenly distributing the product. Now this is the first time I was actually trying to do this upside down, and you can see I've achieved the curl clumps, and now I am scrunching my hair. You need to hear the sound, which means you're doing the right thing, right? So once I start scrunching, so I scrunch initially upside down, and then I tilt my head to the right side and the left side, and I keep scrunching all the way up, but very gently so that I don't ruin the curls, right? So that's how you go about doing it. So tilt your head on either sides till your head starts aching, and keep scrunching. Now what you want to keep in mind is that you don't aggressively tilt your head back to the normal position, right? So you move to the right, left, and then come back to the normal position. Okay, moving on, the next step is to apply the volume gel. So this I will take a little bit more compared to the curl cream, and again I'm going to evenly distribute this throughout my hair via praying hands method, and again I am scrunching it all in. Again, you need to hear the scrunching sound, only then the water inside your hair is adequate. If you don't hear the sound, you need to mix it more with water. All right, so make sure each strand of your hair is coated with this volume gel. Only then you will be able to achieve the gel cast. You have to make sure that you don't vigorously keep shaking your head so that you don't ruin the defined curls. You can see my husband peeping in to see what I'm actually doing. He was extremely hungry and waiting for me so that we could have dinner together. Anyway, moving on. So once you have applied the volume gel evenly, the next step is to plop your hair, or rather remove the excess water from your hair. Now for this, don't use the rough turkey towels that you usually use. Try to use a microfiber towel or any old cotton t-shirt. I'm using a cotton t-shirt here, and here again I'm not aggressively scrunching out the water. If you can see, I am trying to maintain the curl patterns, and I'm gently taking them in my hands and scrunching out the excess water. So if you see, this is how my hair looks when it is extremely wet. You can see it's very thin and there are a lot of bald spots, and this is how it looks once I have diffused it, right? So after diffusing the hair, I'm just taking a bit of the serum and scrunching it all in to remove the gel cast. Now gel cast will make your hair extremely stiff and stringy. You need to break it all off so that you get extremely soft and nourished curls. and you're also frizz free, right? Again, I'm putting my head upside down to achieve the volume, you guys. I actually found a major difference in the volume of my hair when I style it upside down, but you need to do it the right way, only then it looks good. Okay, sometimes it can go totally wrong, right? So this is how my hair looks after. This is about 90% dry, I would say. There are still few patches that were not dry, but this is how it looks from the front. You can see well-defined curls, very less frizz, right? And it's the same behind as well. So yeah, that's how you achieve voluminous curls. This is especially for those who are troubled with having extremely fine hair like me. You need to learn how to style it so that it does not look so fine. See, now from the back it does not look that fine, right? It looks defined. There's a lot of volume, especially on the top of my head, and I was extremely happy with the results. All thanks to Maintain, I am able to confidently walk around with my curls. That's it for today, you guys. If you like this video, hit a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon so that you get notified for every video that I put out. And yeah, don't forget to shop the Maintain products from their website. You can use my code KPN to get an additional 10% off if you shop for more than 1,000 from their website. I'll see you in the next one. Love you. Bye.